Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have sudo access, because changing modes can require root. Once confirmed, run xrandr to list connected displays and available modes. You need to identify the output name like HDMI1 or EDP1 and note the current resolution plus refresh rate. This helps you revert if needed. Now, if the desired resolution is missing, prepare to create a mode using CVT or GTF. This gives you the mod align values you will add. Once you have the mod align from CVT, copy the quoted mod align parameters and run xrandr new mode with those values. This defines the custom mode. Next, attach it to the display. Xrandr add mode output mode name, which registers the mode for that output. Then apply it immediately with xrandr output mode name rate 60, for example. This changes the screen now. Make sure to test scaling and font sizes after switching, because UI elements may appear different. To keep the new resolution after reboot, create a small script with the xrandr commands and source it from /. Xprofile or the display manager's startup. This ensures persistence. If something goes wrong, you can revert immediately by running the saved xrandr revert command. Make sure you recorded the original mode beforehand. If the mode still fails, check Zorg or kernel logs and confirm the GPU driver supports the mode. Alternatively, test a lower standard resolution to isolate driver versus cable or monitor limits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.